Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Titan Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to change the window switch on this Nissan Titan pickup truck. Probably be the shortest install tutorial video that we do. I've got the key on right now. As you can see, pressing the key, that window's not moving up and down at all. Just nothing going on. So this is pretty simple to do. All we have to do is take a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to insert it into the plastic molding. That's just going to pop right off. So we're going to depress this little plastic clip here on the bottom of the plug. That switch is just going to pop right off. So here we've got our connection. And I've got a new plug here that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description so that you can find it for yourself. And all we're going to do is just snap this right back on onto the connection here. I'm going to pull this back out. Press the switch back in until it clicks. Let's try this window switch before we put the window back in. See the window going down. Window goes right back up. All we have to do is snap this back into place. And there we go, we're ready to go. Brand new window switch here on a 08 Nissan Titan.